I am Mrs. Kanian Talanya Magnayed, Gementisa Jr., also known as Mrs. Kanian Talanya Magnayed, because I'm the first. Yeah, yeah. Myself is not you, but the right eye is the illness. On my talking about my mother birthday celebration, they tends to create a situation of disaster talaga. The voice on my ear is Narisa Jane Tamundo, teacher of myself during high school. What is being said during year 2022 or year 2023? I think year 2023. What is being said is she is Baccarat Bobo Camouflage. Bobo Philippine Camouflage Criminal Killer. Feeling high. Another feeling high. Literal Bobo. And then there is Spy. Not no. Narisa Jane Tamundong is teacher Narisa, not a teacher, Ma'am Jane Tamundong is teacher, of which on my high school year, of which is my teacher, my Nina, um, wedding. About my Nina and Nina, they tend, oh yan na, the person on my right eye is criminal Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri, is putting hatred, angriness on my ninang so that to ruin the wedding. Uh, this is not about too strong. It is uh, myself is not thinking of them, and then myself is social. What the person is doing on my right eye is putting on angriness, hatred, disaster, ruin, so that the wedding could not be, I don't know, happy. But person be dead. The kabit does not stop on killing. Kabit, criminal Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri, from University Kadiri, Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. What to do? The girl is killing me. Backer of her is the Opo Philippine Camouflage Criminal Kadiri Killer. Short height. Please help me. I am the person that will be buried in Baclaran Church. I will tell a question if it could be it is when it comes on to wedding because there is uh, about novena. Myself is being killed. At the moment, my red orange. Why do I need to see that? Uh, Myself, sometimes I tends to check it, tends to look on it if it is being returned or not. Mine is mine. The right eye is thinking about Queen Elizabeth the Fourth. I not want to think about it. I feel scared. My life is mine. And then my red orange is being returned. Blood. I am not boastful. I'm not comparing it. Myself is just tag in here to make observes of which is mine is mine when it comes onto blood. Red orange is mine. Light red orange color. Why they is bullying my mother? The person says Gemaline Cantor Gonzalez. Why? They say about utang. I not think of it. Not want to think about it. But person be dead. I wish talaga those person that talks on my right ear, right eye, right ear should be dead, be dead, be dead. And then on the left side, I not know who they is. I am normal. It is just they such as this. Something such that. That is why I tend to do such this so that they could be out of my eye. But what they're doing is they tends to kills me on the use of black magic. Alex Junior ko is civil engineer. My high school classmate during high school year 2008. I not know about Wilson. Hmm. Oh, is there a memory? Why? Wilcon. When is that Wilcon? Previous day? Is there a memory? Not know. I not know Wilson. The face of Wilson I not sight. I only sight the lip and then there is not lip of Alex Junior ko. Color dark chocolate, such as eating chocolate. I like Alex Junior ko chocolate skin color. That is my prefer. I like it. Ayun. Huwag kayo manggi. Na no. Why such that? Um, the category number one, they show, but I not know. That is panaginip. And then this person, they pops up and then hurting. They tends to do body movement. And then they is on the second when they know that there is panaginip such as what this second doing, they tends to create a falseness about panaginip. And then know about them. And then what the third is they targeting my memory, high school. Already is their targeting. I don't know what it means. Not want them. I not want to go mag when you watch Cinderella, they tends to seduce in here. My my right eye is itchy when it is being focused to Prince Charming. This bad person. Those person that is uses black magic, they be dead. Please help me. And hindi ka gusto. Si Alex lover ko. My hair, oh. It should be long. Long. Na-want you. Ang pangit mo. Nanay mo yung pukpukin mo. Nakakadiri sarili nyo. I will eat while I talk. Myself is starved eh. I am on the black magic. I am natural. I not know how to use black magic. Literally, myself is a specific person. I am Konian. But they is high level. I am natural, normal person. They just interfere. You need to talk rather than to eat. Excuse me. What else? He's talking on my ear. I could hear their voice telling a body movement. I could feel it. They talks on the use of black magic and then telling me of body movement so that myself is on body movement that I not want or it is not yet should be timid ko, married kami Alex ko. I not want them. They is bad person. I not want in here. Nakakadiri lugar nito. Harassment it is. I will talk now. It is 15 minutes and 22 seconds. I will talk